Hi, Kat here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my new Cricut Maker machine. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box. Stay tuned till the end of the video.
And I can show you some cool things that you can make with your machine.
If you know a crafter or a crafter yourself, there is no better gift than a Cricut Maker. The possibilities are endless.
So here we have the Cricut Maker in its box. It's quite a large box, pretty heavy. Hopefully when it arrives they don't leave it outside for too long. Inside we have the Let's Get Started info pack here in a little box. Materials for your first project. Now in one of these makers I received a fabric piece and some cardstock to make a card incorporating fabric. This one, 2 sheets of cardstock for making a first project. I popped it away. I have a ton of cardstock. This is new, easy, step by step what to do and which order to do it in. On the back is all the information you need there to get yourself started and set up. Very, very straightforward getting the Cricut Maker unboxed, set up and ready to go with your first project. Bookmarking the page helps too, because then you can find any info you need when you need it. Beginner's instructions. New Cricut Maker welcome book. This is a really useful book. It has a manual, it has all your tips in it, it explains all your tools, your equipment, what everything's for, quick reference guide, useful links on the back. This is the new Cricut Rotary blade. Comes with the Cricut Maker. It was made specifically for this machine and it's great for cutting fabric. Also comes with the pink fabric mat. We have the connection lead for USB, and then this is the Rotary blade protection case and a Cricut Maker pen to be used in the Maker as well. You do have a 1-year warranty, which is on here, so register your machine right away. It is heavy, so be careful with lifting it out of the box. This is the power cord. Once out the box, a little bit more unwrapping to do. This is the pink or blush Cricut Maker. They do come in a variety of colours, so you can choose your favourite. As you can see in the top there is 2 holes. One is for your tools, nice and deep. The other one is actually really great for when you're switching out tools between blades. It's got a padded base so you can pop the blade in there, it's nicely protected. In the box also was the pink and blue mat. I forgot to show that when I was unboxing, but found them afterwards. The pink mat is for fabric and the blue mat is the light grip mat I usually use for cardstock, things like that. Power cord at the back. There's also a hole at the back to connect to your computer for the USB cord. On the right hand side, I didn't show in the video, but on the right hand side of the machine there is a USB port, great for charging any of your USB devices, and the pink slot along the top there actually is for balancing your iPad or iPhone when you're working in Design Space. It's a great spot for that too. If you are thinking about purchasing a Cricut Maker for yourself or someone, check out my link in the description below. So this is your blade, this is your fine point blade, comes with the Maker. And I believe the Explorer machines also come with the fine point blade. And this is a great storage unit. They've got a bit of magnetic strip down here, great for spare blades, and nice to keep your tools in there. Some people do stash candy, which is always a good idea for late night crafting. No dial like the Explorer, and the Explorer 2 has a dial. You can actually adjust all your settings within Design Space, which is the app that you use when designing. And then there's just 4 basic buttons. Here's an example of some of the things I've made with my Cricut machine. Some wedding masks, layered cards, pop-up cards, 3D pop-up cards, these actually fold flat, and shaker cards. So many things you can make.
Well, there you have it, folks. Some ideas of things to make with your Cricut Maker, and a little glimpse into what's in the box when it actually arrives. If you have any questions, please add them in the comments below. In the meantime, I'll be back very soon with more videos, and if you'd like to check out more of my cards, then do check out my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell, and I'll see you soon.